वेलकम टू मेमोनीट। आई एम सतीश स्वरूप, टीचर ऑफ मेमोनीट। तो हम आज बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, रिवीजन करते हैं हमारा फर्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज यूनिट एंड डायमेंशन। ओके, so I am expecting that you are completing your daily targets and giving the daily quizzes that I am posting in the Telegram channel. So if you are not joining the Telegram channel, please do join, and there you can get the targets and the quizzes regularly. Okay, so let's move to the first question here. If force F is given by the F is equals to Pt plus At, where T is the time, the unit of P is same as that of. Okay. तो क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है, हमारे पास एक इक्वेशन है जो फोर्स का इक्वेशन है, F is equals to Pt plus At. ओके, सो द यूनिट ऑफ P is same as that of, हमको बताना है यूनिट ऑफ P. ओके, सो फोर्स का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला क्या लिखेंगे, M1 L1 T to the power minus 2. Okay, this is the dimensional formula for the force. And for the time, T is the time. Okay, time का dimensional formula क्या लिखेंगे, M0. Measuring acceleration due to gravity by a simple pendulum takes a positive error of 1% in the length of the pendulum and negative error of 3% in the value of the time period. This percentage error in the measurement of the value of z will be. Okay, so we know that is time period t is equals to 2 pi under root L upon z. Okay, that is t square is equals to 4 pi square L upon z. Okay, so the value of z here is equals to 4 pi square L upon t square. Okay, that is equals to 4 pi square L t to the power minus 2. To find out the percentage error, that is del z upon z is equals to, here 4 pi square is the constant, so this will have no error. That is, we have del L upon L plus here the t square. Okay, it is in square, that is 2 del t upon t. So this will be equals to, that is del L upon L, the positive error of 1%. Okay, 1 plus in the time period it is having negative error of 3%. So 2 into 3, that is equals to 6 plus 1, 7%. So this is the percentage error of for the z. Okay, so our answer is option 3. Next question, that is, in an experiment the percentage of error occurring in the measurement of physical quantities A, B, C, D are 1%, 2%, 3% and 4% respectively. Then the maximum percentage of error in the measurement X will be. Okay, so here let's say हमारा expression क्या दिया गया है, X is equals to A square B to the power 1 by 2 upon C to the power 1 by 3 and it is dq. Okay, so we have to find out the percentage of error, that is del x upon x is equals to, here the square will be coefficient. Okay, 2 into del a plus, then here for the b power will be coefficient, that is half into del b upon b plus 1 upon 3 del c upon c plus 3 del d upon d. Okay, so for the a we have percentage error of 1%, so 2 into 1 plus, for b we have 2%, that is 1 by 2 into 2 plus c we have 3%, that is into 3, and for the d we have 4%, that is 3 into 4. So this is will be equals to 2 into 1 2 plus this is a 1 and this will be 1 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4 plus 12, that is 16%. So our percentage error for the x will be 16%, that is option 1. ये सब क्वेश्चन में क्यों करवाया, क्योंकि आपका डायरेक्ट एंड डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन यही सब ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन नीट में आता है। देखो जैसे हम पहले क्वेश्चन करवाए थे ना, एफ इज इक्वल्स टू पी प्लस एफ इज इक्वल्स टू पी टी पी टू दी पावर माइनस वन प्लस ए टी। ओके, ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे, ऐसे ही फॉर्मेट बस बदल के और एक क्वेश्चन दे दिया। ओके, वही क्वेश्चन को बस ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आ ही आ रहा है एनटीए में। ओके, एनटीए इज नॉट अपडेटिंग इट्स formula. Okay, they are keeping it very simple. You have to answer, you have to know each and every topic and you have to answer that one. Okay, जैसे कि कॉर्नियर कैलिपर से आता है, ये परसेंटेज वाला क्वेश्चन बहुत आता है, स्क्रूगर्स क्वेश्चन में करवाया हूँ, ये भी आता है। ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन बहुत एनटीए में पूछा गया है। ओके, like this type of question they ask that is asked in the NTA. Okay, you will get the questions from everywhere, from the net, internet, from the any other book sources. Okay, and you know that is what you are achieving from that, what you are building your concept from that, and for that anyone which who have just made a small mistake, they can go back to the they can know the solution that is very minute solution, and they can proceed further. Okay, so for that we have in the Memoneet that is two type of explanation, that is brief explanation and detailed explanation for each and every question. Okay, if you want that you can you have know the concept very well, but you just made one small mistake anywhere. Okay, for that you can follow the crisp explanation, and those who do not know the those concepts are not precise to those concepts, they can use the detailed explanation. And from the detailed explanation, if you are you are just following the detailed explanation for each and every topic of the Memoneet PYQ, then I can guarantee you you can do very well, because from this they have made the concept so easy. It is very transparent. Okay, you can do very well from the explanation. From the explanation just you can derive many questions like that. I have derived from these questions. Okay, what I have done, I have taken the seen those questions from the NTA, last year NTA, and exactly similar, or from the one question I have derived two to three questions from that only. Okay, so this is, for this you can do up to your own. I know you can do, but it is time consuming. Okay, it is not easy to derive on each and every single question. For that, Memoneet has done for you something great. Okay, we are coming up with the TPYQs. It is a very new concept. If you have followed me in the Telegram, I have also mentioned you, that is we are coming up with derived PYQs. ये बेसिकली क्या होता है ना, आप एक क्वेश्चन में एक सारे क्वेश्चन में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन फॉर्म कर सकते हो। जैसे मैं क्या करता था, मैं पहले पहले जब नीट के लिए प्रिपेयर करता था, तो मेरा पहले पहले लैकुना रहता, पर मैं क्या किया, एक क्वेश्चन से, मतलब जैसे ही पीवाईक्यू बुक फॉलो कर रहा था ना, एक क्वेश्चन से मैं और क्वेश्चन फॉर्म करने लग गया। ओके, तो वहां से मुझे डायमेंशन मिल गया भाई, क्या करना है, मतलब नीट पूछना वाला क्या है। ओके, क्या पूछ रहा है, किस हद तक वो जा सकता है। नीट इज नॉट आस्किंग दैट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग विथ योर concept or how much you know। वो क्या कर रहा है ना, वो बस देख रहा है बच्चों का एफिशिएंसी कितना है, बच्चा एक्यूरेसी कितना है, बच्चे कितना चीज जानता है। ओके, what you have learned, you have covered all the topic or not, in the depth analysis they are not taking. Okay, so please go through the detailed solution that is provided in the NTA PYQ need that is from the available from the Memoneet channel. Okay, Memoneet आपको दे रहा है कि NTA PYQ बुक एक है उसका खुद का। ओके, आप खरीद सकते हो, वो बुक बहुत सही है, क्योंकि डिटेल्ड और प्रीस एक्सप्लेनेशन और कहीं तो नहीं मिलेगा, और कहाँ पे भी चले जा नहीं मिलेगा। और मेमोनीट अभी एक नया लेके आया रहा है कि DPYQs, that is derived PYQ, that is from one question of PYQ we will derive 2 to 3% more. Okay, so let's look to the another question. Is incorrect statement. Okay, so a dimensionally correct equation may be correct, let's say we have that is S is equals to ut plus half at square. Everyone know the formula, that is S equals to ut plus half at square. Here S is the displacement. Okay, displacement. And for the ut, it is velocity, that is L t to the power minus 1 for the u, and for the time, that is t to the power 1. So this will be equals to L t to the power 0, that is the dimension for the ut is L. Okay, so for the dimensionally correct equation may be correct. Yes, this equation is dimensionally correct because ut for the ut dimension is L, and for the at square the dimension is also L. So let's read the second statement, that is a dimensionally correct equation may be incorrect. Let's say we have S is equals to ut plus at square. Okay, here this statement is dimensionally correct, but it is incorrect statement. Why? It is half at square, not at square. So this is correct because dimensionally correct equation may be correct. Yes, this is incorrect. And the dimensionally correct equation may be incorrect. This is also correct because this statement is dimensionally correct, but it is incorrect. Why? It is not written here, that is half at square not written. Then a dimensionally incorrect equation may be correct. This is how can be possible, because we can't equate the force with velocity ना. So velocity के साथ हम force को equate नहीं कर सकते. Let's say हमारे पास force equals to कुछ vt plus beta t लिख दिए. Okay, let's say हमारा vt force के dimension के साथ equate ही नहीं हुआ, तो डायमेंशनली इनकरेक्ट इक्वेशन कैंट बी करेक्ट. ये तो गलत स्टेटमेंट है. दिस कैन नेवर हैपन. बट द डायमेंशनली इनकरेक्ट इक्वेशन कैन बी करेक्ट. ये तो सही है. अगर डायमेंशनली इनकरेक्ट है तो इक्वेशन इनकरेक्ट है, और डायमेंशनली इनकरेक्ट है मतलब इक्वेशन कभी करेक्ट नहीं हो सकता. इसको हम कभी कभी मान सकते हैं, पर इसको हम कभी मानेंगे ही नहीं. ओके, so what will be the answer? That is option 3 will be our correct answer. The following quantities has dimension different from each other. Okay, तो हमारे पास क्या है? First is impulse, that is dot dt is the impulse. So for the force, what we can write the dimensional formula, that is m into a, that is m for the mass, and for the acceleration L t to the power minus 2 into t. Okay, this is for the impulse, that is into t, that is equals to m L t to the power minus 1. Okay, then for the linear momentum, okay, this will have, that is mvr is the linear momentum, that is mv is the linear momentum, that is m for the mass, and v is the L t to the power minus 1. Now this pair have same quantities, and it is asking that which one is different. Then Planck's constant and angular momentum. Planck's constant, we know that lambda is equals to h upon p. So here lambda is in meter, and for the h we have the dimension. P is the momentum, that is m L t to the power minus 1, and for the lambda we have length, that is m L square t to the power minus 1. And then for the angular momentum we have mvr, angular momentum, that is mvr, that is equals to the same, that is m L square t to the power minus 1, because mv is here the momentum and r only add up. Okay, so r in case of in place of lambda. So these both have the same dimension, that is length. Then moment of inertia, that is we know that m r square. So we have mass length square. This is the for the moment of inertia. And moment of force, that will be equals to tau, that is r f. Okay, so here for the force we can write m L t to the power minus 2, and for the radius, that is r, we can write m. Okay, so this will be equals to m l square t to the power minus 2. So this one is not correct, that is the dimensions are different, so our option 3. So let's consider the fourth option, that is Young's modulus. We have f upon a, that is equals to Young's modulus upon into del L upon L. So this is stress and this is strain. Okay, so here f upon a, that is m l t to the power minus 2. Here length is cancelled out. Okay, here the dimension will not have that is for the del L upon f. So here upon L square is equals to for the dimension of Young's modulus. So we have m L to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of Young's modulus. So for the pressure we can write F upon A, the same as for this. Okay. So we have different dimensions for the moment of inertia and moment of force. That is option 3 will be our correct answer. Question is given that if the acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square, it is 10 meter per second square, and the units of length and time are changed to kilometer and hour respectively, the numerical value of the acceleration will be. Okay, so we have to change the uh, the length and the time uh, from the given conditions. Okay, so we have that is gravity, sorry, we have the gravity here is equals to 10 meter per second square. Okay, so this will be equals to 10, we can write for the meter length and t to the power minus 2. So here that is 10 into, for the length we are changing into kilometer. Okay, so this is represented in meter, and we know that 1 meter is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So for the 1 meter we have 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay, and for time we know that 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. So for the 1 second, we have 1 upon 3600 hour. Okay. So what we will write in place of length, we will write 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay. This is represented in kilometer, and t to the power minus 2. It means it is presented, the time is present here now here in the denominator side, and we are representing the time to hour. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 3600, that is 1 upon 3600 hour. Okay, and the time, the power of time is here, it is square. Okay, so if we solve this out, this is 10 upon 1000 with 12,960,000. So if we cancel it out, so this will be 129. It is, sorry, it is 129,600. Okay, so if we represent it into kilometer and hour, so we have the answer here, that is option 4 here. The question here, that is physical quantity A is related as, that is A square B cube C into D to the D under root. The percentage of error of this will be respectively. What is the percentage error in the quantity A? Okay. So we have that is del A upon A. Percentage error of A will be 2 into del A, del small a into small upon small a plus 3 del B upon B plus C. What is the power of C here? 1. So 1 into del C upon C. And for the D, we have the power that is 1 upon 2 because under root 2 is 1 upon 2. So 1 by 2 del d upon d. So now put the percentage error, that is 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 half into 2. Okay. So this one cancelled out, that is 1. So here 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1, that is 2, 9, 11, 13, 14. 14% is the correct answer. So option 4 is the correct answer here. Here, that is if area, velocity and density. Okay. Area, it is, sorry, area is represented as A here. Okay. Area, velocity and density are base units. The dimensional formula of the force can. So we have here, let's say force, we have the dimensional formula that is M L T to the power minus 2. Okay. So for the M L T to the power minus 2, we have to arrange these three units. So for the area, okay, it is dimensional formula is L square. So the power it have, let's say we have P, L to the power P, and for the velocity that is L T to the power minus 1, and the power, let's say for the equation will be Q, and the density is equals to mass upon volume, that is M L to the power minus 3. Okay, the power here is R, let's say it is R. Okay, so we have for the area, that is L square to the power E, then L T to the power minus 1 to the power Q, and then M L to the power minus 3 to the power R. Okay. So now then compare the the powers here. Okay, for the mass. Okay, so here M to the power 1 will be equals to M to the power R. Okay, so it means R is equals to 1. Okay, so for the density, the power is 1. Okay, density power is equals to 1. So then length here, that is in the LHS side, that is L to the power 1 is equals to here L to the power 2p plus then Q to the power Q plus then here to the power minus 3r. Okay, it is minus 3r. It is minus 3r. So that is 2p plus q minus 3r is equals to 1. So now to find out the value of t here, p to the power minus 2 in the LHS side. So in the RHS, that is only 1, that is p to the power minus q. Okay, so here q value is equals to 2. So for the velocity, we have the power that is 2. So what is remaining here? That is only p is remaining here. So we know that this is the equation here. So from the above, that is R value and Q value, we can find out the P, that is 2P plus Q. Q is equals to 2 and minus 3R. R is 1, that is 3 is equals to 1. So this is minus 1, 2P is equals to minus 1, and here it will be plus 1, that is 2. So P is equals to 1. So for the P is equals to 1, then Q is equals to 2 and R is equals to 1. So it will have, that is A, for the Q, that is V square, and for the density, that is rho to the power 1. Okay. So what will be the answer? That is second answer, that is A V square rho. So this is will be our correct answer. Here, and these all questions are derived from the NEET. Okay, NEET NTA PYQ से मैं सारे क्वेश्चन derive किया हूँ. एक भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा नहीं है कि हम कहीं और रिलेवेंट से पूछ लिए। पूरा का पूरा एनसीईआरटी जो जो एनटीए पिछले बार में आया था उसी से जस्ट डिराइव करके हम दिए, तो ताकि हम तुम्हें दिखा पाए कि हम एक क्वेश्चन से हम दूसरा तीसरा कैसे क्वेश्चन हम फॉर्म कर सकते हैं। ओके, व्हाट वी कैन डू, व्हाट वी कैन गेट फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चंस। ओके, so basically if you are not getting the question, the how to put the formula and get the answer type of question only, एक एक चैप्टर कर दिए तो उसके उसके बाद खत्म नहीं हो जाता है ना, उसके बाद कुछ कुछ सवाल करना रहता है। ओके, तो आपको ऐसा कहीं जाना चाहिए कि कहीं पूरा एकदम फॉर्मूला वाइज क्वेश्चन मिले। ओके, so this is included, that is in our elite plans. You can buy the elite plans. Okay, now we will show you the elite plans, how to go through the Memoneet app. तो देखिए बच्चों, इधर एलाइट प्लान का ऐप है। ओके, सो हियर यू कैन बाय द एलाइट प्लान from the Memoneet channel. Okay, you will get all type of printed notes. You can buy also printed notes which will be very, very beneficial. You can get the PYQ book. So इधर हम देखें तो uh, we have this let's focus on this. We have the line to line questions on physics, that is concept building question also there. Then physics NCERT solutions are also there. Recorded physics lecture you can get. Then for the physics chemistry we have the PhD note, sorry, you have the SD notes and for the illustrations. Okay, and you can get the all limited full mock test and part test. Okay, सो बेसिकली ये एलाइट प्लान बाय कर सकते हो, या फिर हमारा एलाइट प्लान प्लस ब्रह्मास्त्र जो टेस्ट सीरीज चलता है उसको भी तुम बाय कर सकते हो। क्योंकि हम तुम्हें मेन एम क्या है कि कोई कोई अच्छे से क्वेश्चन करवा दे और कहाँ से अच्छे से पढ़ ले। ओके, तो इधर से पढ़ लो, फ्री में पढ़ लो। ओके, हमारा जो यूट्यूब चैनल में हम रिकॉर्ड करके भेज रहे हैं, फ्री में पढ़ लो, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन सवाल लगा लो और एनटीए पीवाईक्यूज कर लो। और डेराइव्ड एनटीए पीवाईक्यू जो लॉन्च होगा आगे जाके, तो उसको खरीद के एक दो बार करते रहना भाई। उससे अगर कभी तुम्हारा 650 के नीचे आ गया तो मुझे बोलना, क्योंकि वो एकदम सही तरीका है पढ़ने के लिए। क्योंकि हम क्या कर रहे हैं बेसिकली, जो क्वेश्चन सवाल आ सकता है, जब वो क्वेश्चन एनटीए ने छोड़ रहा है, और वहीं से तो सवाल बनाएगा, कहाँ से और क्वेश्चन लाएगा, वहीं से तो सवाल बनाएगा। तो वही क्वेश्चन हम फिर से ला के आपको एक अलग फॉर्म में दे रहे हैं। ओके, सो खत्म हो गया। ओके, तो ये चैप्टर का रिवीजन हो गया। वी हैव डन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, वी हैव कवर्ड ईच एंड एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट, एवरी लेक्चर। ओके, वी हैव डन आल्सो डन द क्विज। सो दिस चैप्टर इज नाउ ओवर फॉर यू. And we have solved ample set of questions. I think we have done almost 80 to 90 question or 100% in the lecture and the revision, sorry, and the quiz itself. Okay, so this chapter is already done for you. Now what to do? Focus on the next lecture, what I will give the target to you. Just finish that. Okay, and do buy those elite plan if you want to read seriously. Okay, if you want to complete it in our way. एंड एक थिंग मैं मिस कर दिया, क्या है पता है? तुम्हारे पास हर चैप्टर के एक कंसाइज नोट रहना चाहिए। व्हाट टू डू, दैट इज मेक योर शॉर्ट नोट्स। ओके, ये काम बहुत आता है क्योंकि एग्जाम के टाइम हम सारे कवर नहीं कर सकते, हमें हमारे पास शॉर्ट नोट होना चाहिए। वी हैव टू कवर थ्रू दीज शॉर्ट नोट्स। इफ यू कैन डू better, or you can go to the Brahmastra Patrika from the Memoneet channel, and from there you will get the short notes. Okay, and it is available free for those who has taken the Brahmastra test series. Okay, so let's have a goodbye here, and आप ये चैप्टर अच्छे से रिवाइज कर लो, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के लिए तैयार हो जाओ। ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय।